Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to make anime avatar of your photo. First, open Chrome. Then paste the link given in description box. Now click on send message. Telegram will get open. Now press restart or start button below. Send the photo you want. Make sure that your face is visible. It will take some time to send animated pic.
A few inches later.
Now, your animated avatar is generated. You can download it and view it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click here if you want to know how to improve video quality.